Hello guys, this is demonstration of Morse code implementation on FPGA. So what this project does, it takes a 4-bit BCD number 0 to 9 and it encodes its Morse implementation and displays using LED. So this is a reset button and this one is the start button. And these 4 switches are used to give input, and we'll see the result on this LED. For example, for the digit 0, the Morse code is dash 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 dash, and the dash is represented with a blink of 3 seconds. Let's see the Morse code of digit 4. If we press the start, we'll see the blinking on LED. Dash, 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 and dash. Let's try with another digit, that is let's say 5. That is dot 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 dot. 5 is 4 plus 1 5, and if you press the start button here, the dot is represented with a delay of 1 second. So, dot 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 and dot. So that's it.